Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get Crashz Crosshair Generator for Counter-Strike 2. Firstly, to play Crashz Crosshair Generator on Counter-Strike 2, follow these steps. Firstly, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 in your library and go to Properties. Then ensure the Workshop Tools DLC is enabled. Launch CS2, click Play, then select Workshop Maps. Click Visit Workshop and find the Crashz Crosshair Generator. All you have to do now is subscribe to it, let it download the content to your PC, and once finished, the map will appear under Workshop Maps. Now all you have to do is launch the map and customize your crosshair. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to this video if it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.